guys, it's Miss Kerwin. I'm going to go over some of the problems that you're going to have to do on your Google Forms this week in math because they're kind of weird. And I don't know if you're like me, but the spatial stuff is so hard for me. So you have questions each day on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday that sound like this. Imagine you were to fold each of the four sides in the figure above, well, it's below here, but to make an open box. The shaded boxes are the base of the box. How many cubes would fill the box? So I just want to go over what this is looking like. So if we started with this one, I know that the shaded boxes are the base. I'm going to shade them in with a crayon just to make them really pop. Awesome. Now, I'm actually going to do this. When you're doing the Google form, you obviously can't fold it yourself. You'll be picturing all this in your mind, but I have such a hard time picturing things in my mind. So I'm going to actually show you. I'm going to fold up each of the four sides, just like it says in the directions. I hope you can see this clearly. So do you see how it's starting to look like a box? And I'm going to take my little tape and I'm going to tape up the sides the best I can. It's one side. There's another side. Okay. And there's this side. Okay, now we can definitely see how it's starting to shape up like a box. So then we just have to figure out, okay, how many cubes can fill this box? Some of you might be like, I can already see it, Miss Kerwin, it's right there. But for me, I gotta actually do it. So I have cubes, yay. So I'm gonna put them in here. There's one, there's two, and I see that I have two more spots. Boom. This one does not have another layer. You'll see that like the whole box is full. There's not another layer to stack. So the answer for this one would just be 4. Done. All right, let's do another one. So there's like this one. Again, I'm gonna shade in those bottom ones for the base to make them really stand out. And then it says I need to fold up each of the four sides. So you're gonna have to do this in your mind when you're doing your Google form. All right, I'm gonna tape it. This one's gonna get a little bit trickier. You might even notice that the base is the same as the last one. What are the chances of that? Oh, I wish I could send cubes home with you guys. You could play with cubes in the classroom. That's what I usually do. All right, there's my box. So now I'm gonna see how many cubes can fill it. If you look straight down on top of it, you'll see that the base is exactly the same as the last one. So I'm gonna put my boxes in and it's gonna be 4 again, right? But this time it's not full. I can see that I have another layer. So I need to stack more on top. So right now I have 4. So I'm gonna have another layer of 4. Some of you probably already know what that's gonna be. But if I have 4 on the top layer and 4 on the bottom layer, that would be 8.